Namaskar, my dear friends. So, we are going to conduct one workshop on NI Multisim design and simulations. So, what are the things that you will be learning in this particular workshop is we will be having a lot of designs and simulation settings and everything on NI Multisim. In this particular session, we will be having how to enter schematic, simulation settings, and various circuits like voltage division, current division, how to measure the voltage at particular point, how to measure the current at particular point, okay, in a particular branch. Then we will be having various circuits based on op amps and MOSFETs, transistors, diodes, Zener diode, Schottky diode, and everything. And more than this, we will be having lot of industrial circuits that is basically used, okay. So in this particular session, we will be having uh, circuits like like medical devices or automotives or space grade and anything. Basically, we have lot of places where there are a lot of schematic sections are used, and we need to simulate them to verify its validity. Then we'll also see regulators, converters, and filter design is most important part, and their response like Bode plot, magnitude plot, and input and output validation. So various kinds of filter like low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter with both we will be having RC element that is passive filter and then active filter as well using op amps. And then we will be also seeing how to use instruments and many more. So when we are going to do this particular workshop is on June 1st, 2025. This is your Sunday, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Your contribution fee will be 500 rupees. And if you want, you can directly go and see what are the sample videos that is also there. If you click this, it will take you to YouTube and you can see lot of videos that is already made. This is the registration link. If you click, this will take you to a Google form so that you can put down your credentials and we shall be able to enroll you in the workshop. So why don't we do one thing? We'll see for a minute what are the things we are going to see in this particular session. So we'll be having n number of circuits. I am showing you little bit circuits here. If you want, you can open, like let us say I'm going to open various circuits. So you can see we have various other circuits and more than this, we'll be having many more circuits, okay. Let us say I'll open voltage division, okay. So how to check voltage division and everything. In addition to this, we'll be having like files or edits or place components, how to place components, what are the groups, how to start with, where to go ahead to find out a particular component like MOSFET or BJT. I mean, you will learn almost everything in 2 hours so that you can understand how to start simulating your own circuits based on your own design, okay. And how to start, I mean, how to work with your graph, like making it black and white, like enabling disabling some of the curves, okay. So like that, how to increase and decrease the trace width or remove the grid and all, how to measure the cursor and everything. So everything you will come to know, okay, one by one. Not only this, you will also be having an idea of how to utilize some of the multimeters and oscilloscopes and everything or function generator. So many things are there in particular software which is Multisim, and you will also understand how to start simulating, go to different simulation settings like interactive simulations, DC operating points, like you get all the points of like current, voltage, power of an element or in a branch. Then we will be having AC sweep to go ahead with Bode plot and all other things. Then we'll also see transient simulations and DC sweep. Okay. DC sweep will be basically used for like parametric sweep or something like that. Here it will be parametric sweep separately as well. Most of the time we will spend on transient simulation because we need only like a single time simulation, so we'll do that as well. And then how to export the reports and bill of material and component details and netlist and everything. So this is one of the powerful tool that I have been seeing for past few decades, okay. And it gives you a understanding or a platform to enter all your schematic requirement and simulate it and see the results so that you can use them in your actual circuits. So go ahead and try to register on this particular workshop. So we will see you on June 1st, Sunday 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. You can make a payment on the same number which is given here. And if you have any doubts or anything, what you can do is you can directly go ahead and see the sample videos so that you can have an understanding what are the things that is there in that. And you have also seen, like, we have been giving you various videos based on this particular, like header page that we always keep at our location. So this is BKP Semiconductor Design, and this is our email ID and phone numbers and everything. So all right guys, see you on June 1st 2025. Thank you.